Hi! In this video, I will show you how to control Opera using the Keyboard Extension app on your smartphone. Before you begin, pair the Keyboard Extension app for Windows with the Keyboard Extension mobile app. When you open Opera on your Windows PC, the corresponding widget will automatically turn on your smartphone, but you can create your own widget for this or any other app with different functionality. I've included a link to a tutorial on creating your own widgets in the pinned comment. Keyboard Extension lets you switch between open tabs, create new ones, or close them. Thanks to the down and up buttons, you can browse website content without a keyboard or mouse. Zoom out to see more content on the screen, or zoom in to get a better view of all the elements. You can always return to the original page size with a single tap. Refresh the current page by tapping Refresh. Within an open tab, you can go back or forward. To quickly search for information, tap the Find in Page button. The Escape button can cancel most actions, and the Full Screen button hides the browser interface when needed. In the Keyboard Extension, you can highlight the page address bar with a single tap, add it to your favorites, or go to the list of downloaded files. Improve your interaction with Opera using Keyboard Extension.